Okay, guys. That's better. Okay, guys. This is a reverse dip. But somehow I've lost the flower shape. And also a balloon dip. Or rubber glove dip, I should say. Rubber glove dip. That's my colours. That's my colours. And red, white, and that one there. We both like this. I have got some cells, but I'm not holding my breath. We all know what happens to them buggers. I use Floetrol. This glue, don't ask me how much, and that little bugger, our little silicone oil, and Floetrol. I have got some cell activity, so that makes me a little bit happier. I've got your little cells, as she calls them. But I am holding my breath until tomorrow morning. Now it will change. I'm a little bit heavy down here with my paint. I'm hoping that will spread out a bit. But yes, I've got the glitter in it, silver glitter, the purple glitter, and some red glitter. That is my thing. You can't have it. Has anyone used glow-in-the-dark paint as their painting medium? I'd like to know if anyone's used and what does it look like. Look at that. I like that. A couple of plots may be a bit thin and some may be a bit thick. I'll see how, hello. I'll see how she dries. Well, that's a nice area too. There's some baby cells, and I just want big ones. I want big ones, guys. Big ones. I think my paint might be too thick. Too heavy. Oh, I'll do another one in a minute. I'll put this over in this spot to dry. Okay, bye-bye.